It's hard to believe that it was a month ago we were going through that Christmas blizzard. It took BPD some time to go through all the footage they had, which is why we're finally getting a look tonight. The Buffalo Police Department has released 6 of these body cam videos.
Yo, y'all getting this? Y'all getting this?
Showing just how tough it was for police officers to get to those needing help during the storm.
I wanted the community, I wanted everyone to see exactly what happened, based on what we talked about.
The videos taken on December 23rd and 24th show officers guiding stranded drivers. But you also see just how many people they rescued.
Thank you so much.
Who had been stuck in their cars for hours. In one case,
Yo, it's a couple of y'all?
Yeah, there's 8 of us.
All right.
an officer got to multiple people who were stuck in a building without power.
You'll be okay. It's not a lot of snow. Yo, come on, guys. We gotta go. It's getting bad out.
According to BPD Commissioner Joseph Gramaglia, officers ended up taking in about 60 people at the C District station.
I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get you all the way home. I might take you to the police station just so it's warm.
He says other stations took in at least 10 people each, and miraculously, no officers were injured despite the conditions. Because they were so bad, at times police officers had to walk to emergencies. Commissioner Gramaglia is now looking into purchasing UTVs, or utility terrain vehicles, which cost about $35,000 each.
Look, we're not the only ones. We know that a lot of other agencies now are looking at these UTVs. They have the option of taking off like a tire change. You can take the wheel off and put like a tractor tread on them. So we're looking at those options.
It's undetermined how many the department would need, but he says they could be used year-round. BPD officers worked 40 hours or more that weekend, even recovering dead bodies.
That isn't the function of the police department, but they did it. They knew the job had to be done. We saw the unfortunate toll and the death toll that has come out of this storm. And had we not been able to get to the numerous people that our officers did, there would have been a substantially higher number of deaths.
Now, it's easy to tell through that video that those officers, as well as the people that they helped, clearly went through a lot during the storm. So Gramaglia is encouraging all of his officers within the BPD to reach out and ask if they need help, and don't stay silent, because this is a very important issue. Reporting live in Buffalo, Danielle Church, Channel 2 News.